Well, hello everybody. Today I'd like to share with you my bird photography experience, and I hope to inspire and encourage somebody who is hesitant and is planning on diving into bird photography. Bird photography really is hard the first year. Why? Because there is a lot of getting to know birds, their habits. You read a lot of literature, you watch a lot of tutorials about bird photography, and after that it becomes easy. But if a person is not patient and is not persistent, it is extremely difficult. I have been doing this for, like I said, over a decade, and I've been doing it religiously 4 or 5 hours every single day. And the best that an aspiring bird photographer could do is to find the closest park to your house and explore that park. You'll be amazed on the number of species you'll find at that park. Take your time and also try to pick 5-6 birds every single day, like I did, and listen to them until I had some sort of mental visualization of their vocalizations. Well, when I started again, like I said, all I knew is 5 bird species, and I started really paying attention. Now, in the park that's close to me, I basically walk down the hill. I'm at the park. I have documented close to 135 bird species. That is, that sounds like a lot of birds, but I still look back. When I started, I couldn't believe at this moment that, wow, it's been a long journey, but it's been a very productive journey. The excitement and the thrill and the pleasure that you get from really watching birds is unmatched, at least as far as I'm concerned. So now I could literally tell all of the birds in my park by just hearing them. A lot of times I'm not even interested in taking pictures. All I do is just hear them. Hear 5, 6, 7 bird species at one time, and I can distinguish between all of them. I could tell them by their flight pattern. And what's interesting about birds is that especially during migration season, if you see a Baltimore Oriole or Orchard Oriole or a blue grosbeak or an eastern kingbird this year at one particular area, most likely the following year you will find them at the same spot. There is something special that attracts birds to that particular location. So in a nutshell, bird photography is hard the first year, but after that it becomes really easy because you train your ear, you train your eyes, you develop a skill that a layman could not really detect. I walked with my family myself, and many times I would see a bird and I have a hard time showing it to my kids. Say, guys, look at that bird. Where is it? It takes forever before they spot it. Someday at the end, sometimes they say, well, I can't see it. Don't worry about it. So it's a lot of pleasure. I hope this helps and inspires somebody, and keep shooting. Birds are amazing. Take care, everybody.